Hey guys, it's Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. Today's topic is called Paying Yourself First. I was recently traveling and I had a ton of delays, which gave me a good opportunity to catch up on a bunch of books that I wanted to read. I was banging through books left and right. And I heard a really good quote in one of the financial books I was reading. It was from David Bach. It wasn't his book, but they quoted his book. And he's got a lot of consumer finance books that he puts together. And he talked about something really, really interesting that I think some people subconsciously do without them realizing, but most people don't. A lot of people, they get their paycheck or they get their money out of their business and they pay all their bills and whatever's left over, or they spend whatever they want, whatever's left over. They say, cool, I'm going to put this in the savings. So no matter what it is, $100, $1,000, more than that, whatever it is, whatever there's left over, they put into a savings or an asset or an investment. But that's completely ass backwards. It should be your complete It should be the complete opposite. You need to pay yourself first. So based on whatever your goals are, how much you want to save, and whatever you want for your financial future, you look at it as like, hey, in order to reach what I need to do, I need to put $500 in assets first. So I get my paycheck, I get the money out of my business, I take that $500, I pay myself first. And when you pay yourself first, that means you put it into a savings account, an asset account, into an investment vehicle, and then I can pay everything after that. So I take the $500 if that's what I want to save. I put that over here. That goes in my asset. Then I pay my mortgage, and maybe a car payment, maybe a credit card, maybe a vacation fund, whatever the case is. But the important part to grasp on this is you're paying yourself first, whatever that is. If you need whatever, $1 million in a bank account within the next 20 years, you better divide that up and figure out what you need on a monthly basis and put that in there. I think subconsciously, a lot of us do this. I kind of do this subconsciously, but sometimes I always think about it as like, cool, I have the ability to put, this in a bank account or this into an asset every month. But starting as of like 3 days ago, I completely flipped that aside and said, you know what? I know what my financial goals are because I write them on a piece of paper. I know exactly where they want to be. So instead of taking them out on the leftover funds of what I have available every month or every quarter, I do it on the front end now. And I think that's really important. So think about all the different things in life that you could do. Pay yourself first, take care of yourself first. After all that's taken care of, then you can go down the line. Why would you pay your mortgage before you would pay yourself, before you'd pay your asset? I know that stuff's due, but you're not going to put yourself in debt or a financial burden situation if you know you can't afford that because you have to pay yourself first. Great. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any tips or tricks that you do related to your financial game, comment below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks.